Hi guys, welcome back. For this video, I didn't record an introduction, so just wanted to do a little bit of a voiceover and introduce the video. With everything going on with the virus and practicing self-isolation and being quarantined and being at home, I thought it would be a good idea to do a cooking video and kind of show you something that I like to cook. Now that we're being home for so long, we really need to watch what we're eating, make sure that we're not eating super unhealthy all the time. So, in this video, I'm cooking something pretty healthy, in my opinion, and I do not follow any specific diet, or this is not saying that I eat healthy all the time, but I'm kind of trying. So, I wanted to share with you. This video is going to be pretty self-explanatory, so I don't think I'm going to do a voiceover for the entire video. I'm just going to play some relaxing cooking music for you guys, and I hope you enjoy my recipe. Super simple. Please ignore the way that I was cutting things. I was totally using the wrong knife, but the result was super delicious. It was super easy, quick, and pretty good, honestly. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. If you enjoy watching cooking videos, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll share more meals with you.